Zinkernagel flying in. They've done it again. It's Carlos Terán in the 11th minute.
But who's responsible for Terán? Isolation 1v1. He gets away from Igor Jesus. It's a glancing header.
Martinez all the way through. Halleck's head! Did it cross the line? It did! The flag is up.
And it was the AR who raised his flag, stood next to the corner flag. Some young man making his debut.
Gutierrez. It's been end-to-end. Both teams with good sniffs in front. Gutierrez gets it back. Balls for Zinkernagel. Has a step. Bamba! See at the other end. They're going for Sonny. Gets by Elliott. First touch is true. Down he goes. Terán. Referee way back. Dividends from Son Heung-min off the bench.